This video is sponsored by Bauer, Heavy Duty Bearings by NTN. Visit powerofbauer.com for more information.
Hey everyone, Jason Morgan, editor of Fleet Equipment, and this is Fleet Equipment's On the Road. Let's talk maintaining your truck's electrical connections. Typically, the 7-way electrical assembly is disconnected 99% less on the tractor side than on the trailer side. This means that the connection is cleaned only 1% of its life on the tractor, causing it to corrode faster. The most common warranty issue for a 7-way connector is because of loss of power to the blue circuit due to corrosion buildup. This buildup starts at the front of the plug connector and is caused by several things: chemical de-icers, a constant current running through the blue pin when the tractor is on, and a major lack of maintenance on the tractor's side. Because all regular plugs and sockets are interchangeable, connections are more prone to size differences, meaning in best case scenario, you have 0.3 millimeter of extra diameter space between the unions, leaving it vulnerable to contaminants. More than 90% of water intrusion occurs around the front of the plug between the connections. It's important that you clean connections regularly using a plug and socket cleaning brush, and be sure to apply dielectric grease to dry connections before reconnecting. For more in-depth truck equipment content, head over to fleetequipmentmag.com. Thanks for watching.